So I can tell you that we're going to innovate or we're going to die. We have to look and find out what's out there. We get our best ideas from the field. We get our best ideas from the manufacturer's reps that work with us. I get my best ideas from the people that work on the product every day. The maintenance people, the O&M people, people like that, they keep the system running, and those people innovate every day because sometimes a manufacturer won't make what they need. Well, I listen to everybody that way. I need to have the top-down sell, yeah, I need the people out there, I need getting the specifications and whatnot, but again, I need to make sure that it's going to work. And the innovation that we develop is tied to the O&M group. The maintenance operations group are very important to us. And so the ideas flow there. Innovation also means sensor operation and means simply on our new water coolers, we have something called the integral stop push button, which allows you to service the working part, the main working part of that water cooler without ever having to turn the water off on the wall. You don't have to drop the shroud down. It's simply done from underneath the apron. We're also doing things like the drop-down door filter because people don't like to take the time to take the water cooler apart to change the filter. So as we continue to move forward and innovate more, we're going to come up with more architectural things. We're going to come up with things that are going to look hanging on the wall everywhere. Water, accessible drinking water is needed everywhere, and so Murdock is going to continue to innovate that way.